The story of Indian women's fashion is a journey from ancient drapes to modern fusion, each era weaving its own style into history. In Stone Age, prehistoric India, women wore simple garments made of animal skins, leaves, and bark for covering and survival. In the Indus Valley civilization, women draped woven cotton cloth, wore beads, bangles, and ornate jewelry, with evidence of early sari-like garments. In the Vedic age, women wore antariya, lower drape, uttariya, upper wrap, and stanpatta, breast band, which formed the three-piece ensemble. During the Maurya Empire, women wore fine muslin or silk drapes with elaborate jewelry, reflecting prosperity and courtly elegance. During the Gupta Empire, women wore sari-like flowing garments with stitched blouses that were richly adorned with embroidery and ornaments. During the Sangam age and in South Indian kingdoms, women wore sari-like single-cloth drapes without blouses, decorated with flowers and gold jewelry. In the post-Gupta and early medieval period, women's attire varied regionally. Stitched bodices, lehenga-like skirts, and embroidered veils began appearing. In the Chola and South Indian empires, women wore elegant silk saris with temple jewelry, setting the foundation of South Indian bridal looks. In Delhi Sultanate, Persian influence introduced salwar kameez, long tunics, and veils among elite women. During the Mughal Empire, women wore peshwas, anarkali, churidar, dupatta, with heavy silks, brocades, and intricate embroidery. In Maratha and regional kingdoms, regional sari styles flourished, like Nawari in Maharashtra and Kasavu in Kerala, emphasizing local draping traditions. During the colonial period, British Raj, sari became pan-Indian attire, blouse and petticoat were standardized, with Victorian influence in upper-class fashion. During the post-independence period, sari remained dominant, but modern fabrics, machine embroidery, and Indo-Western fusions, like salwar kameez, gained popularity. Now, in the globalized modern era, women embrace diverse styles, sari, lehenga, salwar suits, and Indo-Western fusion with global fashion trends. That was the journey of Indian women's fashion through the ages. Which era style do you love the most? Tell us in the comments. Subscribe to Decca Globe for more fashionable stories.